guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import audio to your CapCut PC app. You can either select a folder and select an audio and drag it to your CapCut PC app like that, or you can also select the import button if that doesn't work, and you are going to select the audio from there. You can also extract an audio from a video if you don't want to import the video too. So go to audio, go to extracted audio, select import and select a video, and as you can see, your audio will be extracted. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!